Hello, this is Dr. Strain. Today I'm going to show you how you can use Fusion 360 to create 3D visualizations of some of the objects from the Solids of Revolution unit. Fusion 360 is a computer-aided design or CAD software used by professionals to create designs and simulations for all sorts of engineering applications. Please keep in mind that use of Fusion 360 is not required for completing the spatial visualization assignments. However, learning to use a CAD program is a valuable skill for any engineering discipline, and if you choose to do it, it will certainly enhance your spatial visualization skills. Before we get started, let me show you how to get a free copy of Fusion 360 for your Mac or PC. First, Google Fusion 360 for Students and click on the appropriate link. Then click here to create an account using your memphis.edu email address and begin the process to register and download your copy of Fusion 360 for educational use. Once you have it, you are encouraged to explore the web for resources to help you learn the software. I will give you what pointers I can, but I am not an expert in the use of this software. For the present, I simply want to help you learn to use it for spatial visualization purposes. But Fusion 360 is capable of far more than that. One of the best places to start your self-education is with the Autodesk Fusion 360 channel at YouTube. There are tutorials for all kinds of things, including using the software for professional design and manufacturing applications. So now I'll show you how to create a simple solid of revolution using a Fusion 360 sketch. A sketch is a two-dimensional drawing that provides geometry to build more complex objects. First, you must create a sketch, which you can do using the Sketch menu. After choosing Create Sketch, click your mouse on one of the planes to choose a drawing plane. I'll choose the YZ plane. Now I'll draw a simple outline from one of the first slides of the Solids of Revolution unit. To do this, I'll use the Line tool in the Sketch menu. It's pretty straightforward to use, but if you want some instruction, just Google Fusion 360 Line tool and you'll get several useful links. For now, I'm going to ignore all the extra lines and angles that appear as I'm drawing my simple outline. But if you spend just 15 minutes or so watching some tutorial videos on modeling, you can learn an awful lot about how many powerful features Fusion 360 provides to help you make professional quality designs. Now that I've completed the outline, I'll click on the Stop Sketch button and the modeling window will return to the home view. Next, we can use the Revolve feature in the Create menu to create a solid of revolution from this sketch. Again, this tool is not hard to figure out intuitively, but Googling Fusion 360 Revolve will provide you with much more information. Now we have our solid of revolution. The one last thing I can show you in this video is some ways in which you can view the object you've created. The view cube in the top right-hand corner can be used to show top and bottom views, right and left views, and front and back views, as well as combinations. Rolling your middle mouse button lets you zoom in and out. Click on the Home button next to the View cube to return to the home view. Next, there's the Orbit tool found at the bottom of the modeling window. If you click and drag with the orbiting tool, you can freely position the viewing angle on the object. Lastly, there's a multiple views mode, which allows you to see top, right, front, and oblique views in side-by-side windows. Choose Single View to get back to the original modeling window. Okay, thanks for listening. If you have questions about spatial visualization or about Fusion 360, please write me an email at sfstrain@memphis.edu or ask Dr. Curry or me in class. See you soon.